Here we are down at Fireplaces by Cameron, and today we're going to talk about the Osburn lineup and how awesome of a stove they are. Of course, all Canadian made. The grade of steel on these things is absolutely top notch. High density fire brick, stainless steel burners. Hey, you get back here, boy. Come here. I got to keep on top of my children so they don't take over the building. But getting into these guys, they are an awesome stove. Quality and longevity are going to be absolute top notch. You can see the baffles up in there. Again, same baffles product you'd see on the space shuttle, distributing that heat evenly across the head of this unit. And of course, it's got the air wash system. So the top here, you're going to get airflow coming through here, keeping the glass warm, keeping a crystal clear display happening on the front. What we want to talk about next is accessories. You can really customize these things in all kinds of ways, from the layering on the doors. Brass is coming back, I have to say. I don't know what I think about that, but we're actually seeing brass go out the door again. Black doors, satin, legs, of course. You can get into the black legs, satin legs, a little bit more classical looking. Look at these things. Need some classical music playing in the background. Boy! No, you stay with daddy. Kids, am I right? No cliffs, buddy. I'll go outside with you in a second. And you're going to fit a large set of logs in there. This guy's about 18, 19 inches, but you can see we got plenty of room. So a 20-inch log in here, if you end up with some longer cuts, are going to be able to slide into this guy. Again, I'm going to zoom in on that thickness of steel. It's just an amazing, amazing piece. Can you tell that I love wood stoves? When it comes to these guys, low maintenance, low frills, like it's going to sit there, pump out the heat year after year after year, and very little maintenance required. You're going to be checking gaskets. Other than that, make sure you don't huck your logs in there and break up your bricks. Oh, we got to talk about this guy. Little ash collection. I'm going to go find my son because it makes me nervous. Ship it to the distributor, and then the distributor takes it from there, right? What are you doing, boy?
What is that?
That's a chlorine tablet holder.
There's chemicals in there.
Yeah, nice job, buddy. That's a big word. Nice job. Hey, come on in. Let's go take a look at these wood stoves. Show me around.
Come on, Noah. You gotta sell a wood stove,
Are
buddy.
you going to show me? No, are you going to show me, bud? There is no space that an Osburn can't handle. Right down from the 950, which is fairly unusual, the size of it. Works great in those little cabin spaces and any areas that don't require a tremendous amount of heat, and you're not going to want to burn the windows right out of your house. The 1700, probably the most popular unit, the 17 and the 2000, I would say, although we're seeing a lot of 950s roll out. And you're going to get, they recommend throwing these in 250 to 1200 square feet. Of course, that's what the brochure says. I wouldn't want to have that thing pumping out of the corner of my 250 square foot cabin, but there's really not a lot of alternatives in that kind of size anyway. 1700, they recommend between 500 and 1800 square foot home. Great middle of the line. It's going to be a great unit that's not going to cook out your house if you are getting into the smaller size homes. And then the 2000, you're starting to get more serious. You're talking, again, the brochure says 5. I would say you're probably 1500 to 2000, or I'd be leaning to the smaller size anyway. Totally changed the style with the 3300. Now you're going to be loading this guy in from the front, and you're going to get depth in it. So a bit of a different orientation, which is a pretty awesome feature if you're in a unique install setting, like an alcove or something like that, and you have clearance issues on the sides. It's going to get you tighter into a corner versus pulling out with the other units. And just look at the size of that firebox. I could set up a whole camping setup inside there. Stay nice and cozy. What's the name of that guy that lit himself on fire when he was living in the north?
Fire Marshall Bill?
I don't think it's that. We read it all the time in school. Anyway, ash drawer pedestal built right into this guy. I don't even know why they make these, honestly. Why would you want to dump ashes from your firebox into the base of the stove? You're going to get dust and debris everywhere. But let me know. Do you know anybody that uses the ash drawer? And do they keep it clean? Because you're going to have to pull this thing out and like wipe it down, microfiber it. And I like keeping things a little cleaner than that, but let me know. Getting up to the 3500. This is the monster of the Osburn lineup. And really is a powerhouse. You can heat up to like 3,000 square foot home with this guy. And is going to be an absolute machine heating large spaces. And you can fit like 180-inch logs in there. Just check that thing out. Got the brochure in there. Comes with a sticker. You buy the sticker, you get a stove. That's how Osburn works. And what I'm going to show you, because you may be looking at this going, that's kind of ugly. Well, take a look at this. It's got the ash cover, the ash hole. We've got the ash hole cover over here. And it slides into these trays to give you a nice seamless, clean glass look on these guys. Look how refined that is. Again, we're all about quality. I don't want to be having anything on the floor that's not going to have longevity and provide a certain level of satisfaction long-term in any house. I'd put one of these in my house any day. And is a great alternative if you want to have that really awesome looking fire and you're using this thing on a regular basis. It's a powerhouse. Osburn really is one of the best and all manufactured here in Canada still, and that's fairly abnormal in the stove industry with all the takeovers and whatnot happening right now. But all Canadian made and manufactured product, homegrown right here. Let me know what you think. Which one's going to best suit your needs, and let me know if you have any other questions. I'll fire it out on here. Fireplacesbycameron.ca, best place to check out the Osburn lineup, or come down to 1089 Braidwood Road in Courtenay, and you can chat with one of our wood stove professionals